Yes, good morning students. Now we are going to start the next unit, that is life skill. So under life skill the chapter is first aid. So as you know that accidents happen everywhere and anytime it can happen. So the immediate treatment given to that person who is affected with that part, that is first aid. So first aid is a aid means help. So first aid is a aid which will give to a person when a person is in problem and we want to go to take them to the hospital. Before that aid which we will give, that is first aid. Now in your chapter some of the options are given, some situations are written there, and according to that situation 3 options are given. We have to find out the relevant answer of that situation. Now first is, what would you do if the person next to you suddenly make a strange sound? Strange means different sound. Suddenly that person who is next to you, who is in front of you, suddenly he make a strange sound, then fall to the ground. He fall to the ground after making sounds and begin to jerk. Jerk means sudden movement. So that is a word given in this statement, that is meaning of that word is sudden movement. So that person give after falling down to the ground, he made sudden movements of leg and his arms. So what we will do? Voluntarily he is doing all these type of activities after falling down into the ground. So 3 options are given in your book. First is, put something between his teeth to stop him from the biting of the tongue, biting his tongue. So to stop this activity, just to put something inside the teeth. One is that. Then remove the object that may hurt him. If he fall down, whatever the object is near that, we will remove that object from him. Then third option is restrain. Restrain means stop. Restrain means stop. So next is restrain. Restrain his arms and limbs by holding them down on his back. In this position means his arms and limbs holding them on his back. So which option is better? I think first option is better. So first answer, first option, that put something between his teeth so that he will not hurt his tongue, he will not able to bite his tongue. So that thing is the first aid which should we have to do with that particular person who is doing violently such type of activities. Next is second. You see a middle-aged man suddenly choking. Choking means difficulty in breathing. So another one is given there, that is choking, difficulty in breathing. Clear? So that person who is middle-aged one, suddenly choking, suddenly face difficulty in breathing and pointing to his throat. He is pointing to his throat. He cannot speak. He is not able to speak and is becoming bluish in color. His throat color becomes blue. So what would you do? That type of situation, if you face with the person, you see that person is in difficult situation of such type, what will you do? 3 options are given. Reassure him and offer him a glass of water? No. Ask him to bend forward and give him a series of hard thumb on his upper back to bend him and to beat on his upper part. No, that is also not we are doing. Third option is begin mouth to mouth resuscitation. As choking is given there, means he is facing difficulty in breathing. So best method, best first aid is that we will begin mouth to mouth resuscitation. To make him conscious again, we will give them oxygen by putting mouth. Clear? So B option is correct. Clear? Next is third. You have found a missing person who was lost overnight in the mountain. One person is who is lost overnight in the mountain in winter season. So he is inadequately dressed and very wet. What would you do? He is wet and he is in mountain in winter. So what would you do when you find out that such type of person? First option is light a fire and make him sit in front of it. You will light a fire and make him sit over it? No. Second is place him on a stretcher and get him to transport as soon as possible. So that is also not a first step. First step is to protect him from the wind, because winter season is there, he spent whole night over there in winter, and so first aid is to protect him from the wind, remove his wet clothes as well as dry, and wrap him in blanket. Wrap means to cover him with the blanket. So that is the best option, that is the first aid. Clear? So we will get the third B answer. Now fourth statement. Under the fourth statement, your friend accidentally placed his hand on a hot stove. His hand is on the hot stove. Top and burn it. His hand is burned by touching the stove. What is the best thing to do? What we will do first? So what we will do? We will hold the hand under cold running water for about 20 minutes. Immerse the hand in a bucket of ice water. So 20 minutes if we spend the hand on running water, that is not a first aid. The first aid is best aid is that we will immerse the hand in a bucket of ice water, so it will heal. Next, fifth option, fifth part is given. You see a car accident and a driver is still in his seat. When the accident over, the driver is in his seat. He is crying in pain. He is suffering from pain. He complains of tingling. Tingling word is given there. So what is the meaning of tingling? Tingling means ants crawling on any part of body. Any part of body. So that is a tingling word. So that person who is suffering, who is sitting in the car, and he is not able to move out, he is suffering with, he complained of tingling. So means ant crawling was there in which part of body? In his finger as well as in his toes. So what would you do? First option is given, reassure him and ask him to keep still. No, that is not a first aid. Next, reassure him and ask him to take deep breath. Then third, get him to breathe in and out of a paper bag. So that is the correct option. Third is the C part is the main first aid which will give to a person who is suffering with the tingling problem. Now next part, that is sixth one. A person has fallen from his bike. The person fallen from his bike hit his head on the ground. After falling down from the bike, his head hit over there and is lying unconscious. He is not conscious now. He is lying unconscious over there. What would you do? Ring 102 and call for an ambulance? No, we cannot do this one. This is not a first aid, because to reach ambulance, that is very difficult to reach on time. Next, roll the person into the recovery position. No, that is not. Next, check. First we will check, and if necessary, clear his airway to give him breathe. Airway. Then place him in the recovery position so that he will recover. So that is the first aid which we will give. Hope now you are able to help a person who face such type of difficulties. Clear? Thank you.